Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to my channel Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. In the last video, I have showed you how to use principle of inheritance with the functional interface. And now, in this video, it's time to show you how to invoke Lambda expression using functional interface. Okay, it's time. So, of course, before to close the video, I will show you the execution in the computer as the previous video. Okay, I will try to do it in each video, inshallah. So, but I will not show you directly how to call an expression because I need to understand very well the difference between the previous version and the new version. So I will make the same example, a basic example with Java version, the previous Java version, I mean 1.0 for example, and with same example in version 1.8 to see the difference between them. Okay, it's very important. I think it's the good way to understand what is the difference between them. So I have created the interface, main interface, with only one abstract method, M1. Now, in the previous version, it is this example without version 1.8, of course, in the previous version. So, to use this interface, I need to create a new class. For example, my class, and I implement my interface. And here I will define my method M1. For example, I will put system.out.println the implementation of M1 method. And now I can use the main method to call the method M1, but I will create a new class, for example, main class with public static void main. And here I will create the new instance of my class. Using what? I will use interface. My interface, I equal new my class. I think you are Java developer. Okay? So this concept is polymorphism. Right now, I think you know what does it mean. It's very important. It's a requirement to have the background of Java background. So after this, I will call the method M1 with I.M1. Okay? After now, when I compile, you will see after this, when I finish, you will see in the computer what is the result. Okay? So here is our version before the version 1.8 of Java. So now I will make the same example, but in version 1.8. Okay? Using Lambda expression. How to do that? I have the same interface. So with only one abstract method, M1, and I will put here, I don't use my class to implement my interface. I don't need it. Okay, I will directly create main class with main method. Okay, and we see the difference. So in the main method, what I put? I will use my interface I equal. Here's the magic. I will put my Lambda expression. So what I have put before in M1 method, I will do it now in Lambda expression. Remember, we apply all the criteria, all the rules. So we will delete something. Remember, time etc., the calling process, etc., if it's necessary. So the Lambda expression will be like this. Open parentheses, simple arrow, and directly system.out.println implementation of my method M1. Okay? And I will call this method I.M1. Just like this. It's very simple. Okay? Do you see? Of course, I will show you now in computer execution of these two interface. Before in the version Java 1.7 or Java, no problem, without Lambda expression, and with Lambda expression if you give the same result or no. Before to show you this, I think you have see something here. I don't put in the interface, my interface, Java 1.8 of course. I don't put the notation functional interface. Why? Because intuition isn't mandatory. If you put it, as I said before, is to indicate that this compiler, this interface, is functional interface. And here the method, the interface contains only one abstract method, so the compiler guess is based on context, it is functional interface, no problem, he compile it, and he know automatically it is functional interface, no problem. But if you put it, be careful, as I said, you will indicate to the compiler is functional interface, so you must respect the rule. It contains only one abstract method. If it is not the case, you got an exception. So now, let's go to the computer and execute the same program. You will see we got the same result, but to make the difference between the both, and here you can think you have C, with version Java 1.8, we have less code, more readable. It's very easy to maintain. Okay, let's jump to the computer. Go. So let's execute our programs in the previous version of Java and the new version of Java. So here is our interface, and here is, for the previous version of Java, I implement my interface, and here is the main class. So I will execute this one, and we see what we get directly. So it is Java main class. Oops, Java main class, and I have my message. Okay, and for the second example, I have the same thing, my interface, but without any implementation of this interface, but I will use Lambda expression. Okay, and here I will execute this class, and I will see what I get. Java main class 2. I have the same result, as you can see. So this is the difference. You don't have used another class to implement of interface, and the code is less than the previous version, more readable, useful. It's a very simple example. In next video, inshallah, I will show you another example. As I said, I will try to make at least 3 examples, at least, to understand very well how to invoke Lambda expression. And with this concept, you can progress with another topics, inshallah. Okay, so see you, brothers and sisters, to the next video. If you like this course, share it with your friends, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, inshallah. Goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.